When your RV water heater fires up but immediately goes out, this frustrating problem usually points to two main culprits that we need to understand. The flame sensor detects whether a flame is present and shuts off the gas valve if no flame is detected. This is a crucial safety feature that prevents dangerous gas buildup. The gas valve controls the flow of propane to the burner and must provide a consistent supply. When the flame sensor is dirty, misaligned, or faulty, it cannot detect the flame properly, causing the system to shut down for safety. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, always perform these essential initial checks. First, ensure your propane tank is full and the valve is open. Next, verify that the water heater power switch is on, all fuses and breakers are good, and your water tank is full. These simple checks can save you time and effort. Understanding your water heater type helps diagnose the problem. Propane-only heaters rely solely on gas and flame sensors. Electric-only heaters won't have this flame sensor issue. Dual-fuel heaters can switch between gas and electric modes. This start-stop issue primarily affects propane and dual-fuel heaters since they rely on flame sensors for safety. Electric-only heaters use different heating elements and don't have this specific problem. Remember, the flame sensor is a critical safety feature. It prevents dangerous gas buildup by immediately shutting off the gas supply when no flame is detected. This protects you and your RV from potential hazards.